day I'm hustling, every day I'm hustling, every day I'm hustling, every day I'm hustling.
Hey, what's going on YouTube? So something just came in the mail today. I'm going to do a quick unboxing of it. I feel like a kid on Christmas morning anytime I open the front door and see something with that down for sound tape on it. I can't help but get excited. So without further ado, let me get to the unboxing here. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so I got her completely unboxed, and I gotta say, it is a pretty stout little subwoofer. Definitely well built, feels very substantial in your hand here. Nice basket, push terminals, pretty thick tensile leads there. Good looking surround, but that booty though, that is just absolutely humongous for the size of the speaker. Awesome. So my plans for this thing are for it to replace the stock OEM subwoofer in my wife's Caddy, which looks like a piece of paper compared to this guy, to kind of get her eased into Sundown, because whether she knows it or not, eventually there's going to be a B-pillar wall behind her head there with a few Team Sundowns or nightshades, but you know, you can't just jump into that. You got to ease in with something like this. So anyway, I'm excited for it. Make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for future updates and before and after video of a stock 6.5-inch sub compared to this guy that's going to provide that much needed bass. So looking forward to it. It's going to be great. Again, make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you out there on the road. Fired up.